In this video, you'll learn how to summarize a PDF file with Claude AI. We'll go through the full process step by step, so by the end, you'll be able to quickly turn long documents into clear, concise summaries without doing all the reading yourself. First, make sure you have your PDF file ready on your computer. It could be a research paper, a report, a manual, a chapter from a book, or any other document you want to understand more quickly. Having it saved somewhere easy to find, like your desktop or downloads folder, will make the process smoother. Now open Claude AI in your browser and look for the message bar where you would normally type your question or prompt. Just below or beside that bar, you'll see a small plus icon. This plus icon is what you'll use to attach files, including PDFs. Click on the plus icon. When you do this, a file picker window will open, allowing you to browse your device. Navigate to the folder where your PDF is stored, then click on the file you want to summarize and confirm your selection. You should now see the file name appear in the Claude chat area, indicating that the PDF has been successfully attached. If you don't see it, try clicking the plus icon again and reselecting the file. Once your PDF is attached, you're ready to ask Claude for a summary. In the message bar, type a clear instruction such as "Please summarize the content of this PDF," or "Give me a concise summary of the main points in this document." Keeping your request straightforward helps Claude understand exactly what you want. If you have a particular goal, you can include that in your request as well without changing the basic steps. For example, you might say, "Summarize the key findings and conclusions," or "Summarize this PDF in simple language for a beginner." You're still doing the same thing, attaching the file with the plus icon and asking for a summary, but with a bit more context so the result is more tailored to your needs. After you've typed your request, press enter to send the message. Claude will process the PDF, read through its content, and then generate a summary for you. For longer documents, this might take a little more time, so just give it a moment to work in the background. When the summary appears, read through it and check whether it matches what you were looking for. If you need more detail on a particular section, you can follow up by asking, for example, expand on the methodology section or explain the main argument in more detail. Even though that's an extra question, it's still based on the same simple workflow. Upload the PDF, then ask Claude to summarize or clarify the content. To recap in a natural way, you attach your PDF by clicking the plus icon in the message bar, select your file, and then ask Claude to summarize the content. That's all you need to do to turn a long PDF into an easy to digest overview.